Hey guys, this is one of the easiest garlic breads you could ever make. So you just take bread, whatever flavor you want, spread some avocado on top, and then sprinkle your garlic toast, and then throw it in the oven. I put mine on broil here at low, and I go until the tops get a little bit brown, then I'll flip them over and brown the bottoms. These aren't done yet, so I'll show you when they're completed. Okay, here's the back side. Now we'll flip it over. These are the fronts. And then all you have to do is put them together and cut them. I do it like mine, like this. I stack them up. And then I'll split them this way with a knife. Okay, you see how I split them? Now all I have to do is to make it fancy looking. Spread it out like that. And there you go. That's some simple garlic toast that's vegan. And let me show you what we're going to have it with. There you go, guys. Served with spaghetti. Black beans. And a nice salad. And that is how you make vegan garlic toast and a nice dinner, spaghetti dinner, which we love. Hopefully you guys liked this and learned a little tip.